Hi guys, welcome to the official demo of Urooj POS. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Urooj app from Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So let's open Google and go to the login page. Once you arrived here, you will see three dots on your right hand side. Click on it. Here you will see an option, Save and Share. Under this, you will see Install Page as App. Click on it. Now you can edit the app name and install it. After editing the name, click on Install. As you can see, it have already been installed. You can also pin it on your taskbar. You will be able to see it on your main page. Now let's see how to do it in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge and go to the login page. Once you arrived here, you will see three dots on your right hand side. Click on it. You will see an option of More Tools and then click on App. After this, you will see an option Install this site as an app. Click on this. You can edit the name and click on Install and it will be appear on your main page. So that's it for today's video. You have seen how to install Urooj app in desktop or laptop by using Google and Microsoft Edge. Stay tuned. I will see you in the next video.